welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on higher order polynomials. In this video it says find all the zeros of the function blah if you know that these two numbers are solutions. Okay, so what does it mean to be a solution? It means if x equals 3 is a solution, then x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial. And if x equals -5/2 is a solution, then this is a little trickier. 2x equals -5. 2x plus 5 is a factor of the polynomial. That 2x is probably where that 2 comes from. So basically, the solutions tell us two of our factors. We have a total of 4. That's what that little 4 right there tells us. We need to find all 4. We are given half of them. We can use these binomials and long division of polynomials to figure out the last two. If you want to use long division, I would multiply those together and do one long division process. Why do 2 when 1 works? That's the difference between long division and synthetic division. Synthetic division, you need the simple numbers and you can only do the binomial division. With long division, you could multiply these out and divide by a trinomial just fine. And you could do it in one division go. I'm going to use synthetic division. To me, it's a little bit easier. So if you don't know how to do synthetic division, I have those videos out there. I'm going to put 3 in a box, and then I'm going to note 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I have all of my terms with my exponents in each of the decreasing numbers. I don't have any missed terms, so I can just write 2x to the 4th minus 5x cubed minus 61x squared, 54x, and 360. All right, so let's start this off. You add down. 3 times 2 is 6. Add down. -5 plus 6 is 1. Multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Add down, and we get -58. 3 times -58 is -174. We add down and we get -120. And 3 times -120 is -360. And that worked out. So what this translates to, which I'm not going to write, but if you are curious what this translated to, because this is a 4th degree polynomial, this means that if I just divide this out, I get 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 58x minus 120. That would be the next polynomial. But we want to now divide by the next one, -5/2. That's going to go in the box, and I get 2, 1, -58, -120. We're just using this as a stopgap until we get to the next one. The next one is the one that I think is more important. Add down. If we multiply -5/2 by 2, the 2's cancel, and I'm left with -5. -1 plus -5 is a -4. I like these integers. -5/2 times -4, the negatives cancel. 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 times 5 is 10. You, of course, can use a calculator. -58 plus 10 is -48. All right. 2 divided into 48 is 24. The negatives cancel. 24 times 5, if you are wondering, is 120. So what this translates to, that's a 4th degree, that's a 3rd degree, this is a square. This translates to 2x squared minus 4x minus 48. This is going to give us our last two zeros. So to get our last two zeros, we need to factor 2x squared minus 4x minus 48. The first thing I notice is I can factor out a 2. I'm going to divide both sides because I'm trying to figure out where this equals 0. I end up with x squared minus 2x minus 24 equals 0. So now I need two numbers that multiply to -24 and add up to -2. So 1 and -24, 2 and -12, 3 and -8, 4 and -6. So I have x plus 4, x minus 6, X plus 4 is 0 when x is a negative 4. X plus 6 is 0 when x is 6. My other two are 3 and negative 5 halves. This is the answer to the question, what are the 4 zeros? If I was asked to write the function in terms of its factors, which is sometimes a follow-up, I would have h of x equals x plus 4, x minus 6. I've already done these other two. X minus 3 and 2x plus 5. Now, that isn't asked on this question, but it is very easily a follow-up question, writing a function in terms of its factors. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.